Nogmaals, een goede avond, dames en heren, en welkom aan boord. Mijn naam is Christina, samen met mijn collega Eline zijn wij cabinebemanning. In het bijzonder verwelkomen wij onze Flying Wheel en Skyteamleden. Omdat merendeels van onze passagiers de Engelse taal verstaat, zullen wij de rest van onze mededelingen in het Engels doen. Good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board. My name is Christina, together with my colleague Elina, our your cabin crew. They extend a special welcome to our Flying Wheel and Skyteam members. This flight is operated in cooperation with our Skyteam partners, and the flight time to Frankfurt will be 45 minutes. In a few moments, we will explain the flight safety procedures on board this aircraft. Instructions will be given in English. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us. And ladies and gentlemen, we're almost ready to depart. Please ensure your cell phones and electronic devices are switched over to flight mode. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelt. This is how to fasten the seatbelt and tighten it. And this is how to open it. There are 6 emergency exits on board. 2 doors at the rear, 2 hatches in the center, and 2 doors at the front of the aircraft. Floor-level lighting will guide you to these exits. Please identify your nearest emergency exits, bearing in mind that these may be behind you. We will now demonstrate the use of the oxygen mask. If the cabin pressure drops, oxygen masks will appear automatically above all seats. Pull the mask towards you. This releases the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Adjust the headband and breathe normally. If you're traveling with children, put on your own mask first before helping the children. Details of all safety instructions are in the Safety on Board card, which is kept in the seat pocket. Please read this card carefully prior to takeoff. Please adjust the back of your seat to the upright position and fold away your tray table. For safety reasons, we ask you to stow your hand luggage in the luggage bins or under the seat in front of you. Smoking is prohibited on board. On behalf of KLM and partners, we wish you a pleasant flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, for takeoff and landing in darkness, we will switch off the cabin lights. You can find a reading light in a panel above your head. Thank you.
Cabin crew, take your seats.
luchthaven van Frankfurt. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Frankfurt Airport. Please remain seated until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. Once these lights are off, you may stand up and collect your personal belongings again. Please be careful, items could fall out while opening the luggage bins. From this moment on, you may also switch off the flight mode from your electronic devices. On behalf of the captain and the rest of his crew, we would like to thank you for flying KLM Royal Dutch Airlines. We wish you a pleasant stay, a welcome home, or safe and pleasant onward journey. We hope to see you on board in the future and we wish you all a very lovely evening. Hartelijk dank, graag nog eens tot ziens aan boord en nog een prettige avond toegewenst. Vielen Dank, schönen Abend und auf Wiedersehen.
Cabin crew, disarm the lights.